I am feeling sore, a little sore. My feet, they're not happy, but it's okay because mentally I am happy, and that's what matters. My name is Tom, I'm 18 years old, but in drag I go by Venus Osiris. Drag to me is everything. It has helped me become who I am. Today is my first ever drag performance and I am so nervous, but I'm ready. I've been cross-dressing and playing with makeup since I was like literally 8 years old. My drag started as just me sneaking into my mom's room when no one was home, putting on a little shimmery eyeshadow, a wing liner, and her sweaters and bras, and just looking a hot mess. Everyone is familiar with Drag Race, I assume, watching this, and if you think season 9, Valentina said she's only been doing drag for 10 months. And so a lot of people were like, okay, well you got your first gig 10 months ago, but you've been doing fashion and hair and makeup for years before that, and I'm kind of in that same category. I've never actually had a professional real gig. The only time I went out in drag was DragCon. It was really like validating for me because going in I kept telling myself I'm gonna look amazing, like I'm gonna be one of the best. And then literally 10 seconds into walking in, a photographer came up to me and was like, you look amazing, can I take a quick interview and take your pictures for my website? And I was like, oh, that just proved my point. Venus is a lady, but she's also a bad bitch. I think duality is very important. She's gonna give you high energy. I do vogues, high kicks, death drop splits. She does it all. In my everyday life, I'm actually very shy. Doing drag really gives me the opportunity to go all out with no regrets. Well, we're going to the Long Island Peachy Pride Fest. It's in Ronkonkoma, and I'll have my numbers throughout the day. Today is an important part of my drag journey because this is like a real test run. I've never really performed in general. It's something I've always wanted to do. It's something I've always known that I was going to do. The look today, it's a little extra because I'm a little extra, but I'm doing 2 looks, maybe 3. Today I had to make sure that my look was rainbow because it's the beginning of June. It's Pride Month. This is a Pride event. This was a nude leotard I got from Walmart for like 10 bucks, and I just added rainbow ribbon and rhinestones all over it to make this outfit. This is the look number 2. This is gonna be my reveal. Gotta feel the kinky hair fantasy because I'm doing my Donna Summer song. Okay, it's time to go. I want to look at the stage. So I'm about to do the first gig. I'm so ready. Rip it off and give it to someone. Look number 1, 2, 3, 4 for the evening. I am feeling sore, a little sore. My feet, they're not happy, but it's okay because mentally I am happy, and that's what matters. I am shook right now. I literally can't believe that that just happened. It has been years of me envisioning this moment, and it finally has came, and I have literally never felt more myself than right now. My favorite part was doing the splits, jumping off of the ledge. I think that really got the crowd going. This was my first interaction with other drag queens, and they were all so supportive. They were all so loving. I could tell that I'm going to have a relationship with all of them, and hopefully we'll go out together. They taught me so much. They taught me some good selfie angles. They taught me some good dance moves, and they taught me how to not give a shit. I know that I'm gonna perform again. I know that this is the beginning of the end for me. Advice for queens who are just starting is to just do it. There is nothing you could do to prepare yourself for what is coming. You just need to go out, put your wig on, put your costume on, and start lip syncing, honey. I wouldn't have changed a thing about today. Today has honestly been, so far, the best day of my life. This is what I imagine myself doing forever, so I wouldn't change a thing. Thank you guys so much for coming to my first drag performance. If you want to see more firsts like this, make sure you subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. Oh,